All right, guys, I'm back. Good morning. Gonna make my second video for the day, I guess. As you can see, I'm inside of a van. I'm in my camper van. Our place is being bombed with bug stuff, so it's fun. All right, so because we just moved in and there's gnats everywhere. Gotta love Rexburg. All right, so it's the same kind of drawing I had last week. I've got this masked region here and I'm trying to get rid of it. All right, let's see. Let's get rid of this stupid floating thing. All right, so the next part I'm going to show. Um, let's see. Hmm. Mountains too high, in the valleys too high. Let me see. I'll draw a nice little floor here real fast, just for a reference. Let's see. We'll do 10 and a half by 10 and a half, or 12 by. Yeah, I could do 12 by 12. That ain't gonna hurt. There we go. 12 by 12 floor. Leave it as concrete slab. I'm good with that. So there we go. Put up some nice little walls here. I want to use brick real fast. Malcolm. Storefront from here. All right, so we got this nice little storefront here. So what I want to show today is just kind of how to get an elevation view of what's going on in it. So we've got all these different things up here, right? Go to view. Once you get over there, you've got so many wonderful things you can use, right? So of course you have sectional view, and then you've got 3D view. You know, you can take different things. You have a call out view. And of course you have your elevation view. So there's one for framing, and then there's one for elevations. So if you click on elevations, you can do a elevation plan, which will cut through the building. Both of them will, but they'll look different, and I'll show you why. So the first one we got going on here, of course, doesn't want to let me do it. Let me see. Control Z real fast. Okay. It does not like me. Of course it doesn't. It never likes me. And I got rid of something I wanted. This is so much different than what it is on my desktop. My desktop does not have a mic or camera, so kind of hard to do things. I've done it before, but I used headphones and it sounded horrible. All right, so I've got all those things set up in there. I hate this stupid floating whatever thing here. All right, so that's there. And of course, I'm still seeing the same thing. Let's just go to the floor plan for level 1. And of course, just to let you know, I had to go through and set up a whole entire system for this. So I've got this all nice, pretty, right? So go over here, elevations, and you got this one right here. So you see how it looks, everything. It looks just like the ones you've got that's usually set up with the, you know, top, bottom, left, and right? And what you usually is the front, back, left, and right, or is it something like that? Yeah. And then what you'll end up doing is just clicking one of these right down right there. See? So interestingly enough, you see it's just sitting there. If you click here, it'll bring up that nice little line. One way. All right. So if I zoom out, Let's see what that line is and how far it goes. See this giant section here? The reason why it's a building one is because it usually sets you up just like this, and it gives you a little house there, a little shed. You know, you can sit there and do whatever you want with it and make it smaller. I don't know if it's making it smaller or if it's just dragging it. Oh, there you go. Made it smaller. Okay, cool. You know, it made it smaller. And of course, it'll bring up this little nice box, right? And so see how it's like squared off and everything? That's how they look. That's the building elevation. And of course, it's going to look just like this. Let's see. Let me find. Maybe it'll look a little different. There we go. So you got that right there. I got that brick outside. And of course, it's all backwards, which is, it's all right. There we go. Now you see it's just like that. Get that brick outside. There's the brick. Now, you can also just take this and you can stick it right inside, just the same as the interior elevation would. And you would get that same thing, you know, you would be able to see the windows in there. Now, if you were to take this same one, see it says building elevation, you can go over here and it says interior elevation. And see now it has a circle. It's a little softer for the inside, and it'll give you everything right there. And of course it changes it over here in elevations. You've got an elevation right there, and you've got those ones that we were just discussing was the box house ones. And now you've got this one here that just showed up. And of course, if you click on it, it's going to show you the exact same thing because I've already set one up. Now, if you didn't already set one up and everything, and you wanted to see that, you can delete it, and it'll go away. Go over here to view, like we were. Go in there, click it. Now you'll see a difference. This one right here will pick walls and everything for you, and it kind of helps you out. Now, if you click, let me see if I can zoom in. Click on it real fast. You see how it doesn't exactly tell you where it's at, does it? So watch. If you come over here at elevations, click on it real fast, look what it gives you. It gives you just this nice solid piece. But if you want to see more than just that wall, you want to go out or you want to go through that wall or see the ceiling or something like that, you can always adjust that viewpoint width of it and everything. And there you go. You can see a lot more of it. You can see the windows. You can see the actual structure of the inside of them too. And you can do the same thing in the building one, but that was the difference in what happens when you place an interior and an exterior building elevation. And that is going to be my video for this week. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Ooh, his name is Jesus. You can call